I've been using the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for a year now, and it still functions flawlessly, taking fantastic photos and videos with its 108 megapixel camera. Now, despite the recent launch of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which has numerous improved features, I don't believe it's worth upgrading from my S22 Ultra. So, let me explain why I won't be switching to the latest Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Starting with the design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra are very similar, with the S23 Ultra having a slightly flatter back, which makes it easier to use the S Pen for writing and drawing. The S23 Ultra also has the new Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and back for better drop and scratch protection. However, my trusty S22 Ultra is also durable enough to withstand drops and scratches, so I don't think the design is a compelling enough reason to upgrade to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Both the Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra sport a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate that ranges from 1 to 120 Hz due to having the LTPO technology in it. The S23 Ultra features an enhanced comfort mode that adjusts color tones and contrast levels to reduce eye strain during nighttime screen time. The Vision Booster feature has also been improved, now offering 3 levels of lighting adjustment to fight glare in bright light. So for the exact same display, I'm not gonna spend my money on the S23 Ultra now, would I? One of the most significant features between the two models is the camera. So can you tell how many megapixels are too many megapixels? Well, the Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a new 200 megapixel sensor that delivers ample detail to create large prints, while the adaptive pixel sensor combines 16 pixels into one larger pixel for brighter, more detailed photos in low light conditions. The 200 megapixel mode also allows users to crop in and reframe their shots after they've been taken. However, I can do all of these without any problem on my S22 Ultra with its 108 megapixel camera. Even the camera on the Galaxy S22 Ultra still can capture clear and crisp images as well as videos. While the Galaxy S23 Ultra does include a new 12 megapixel front camera, it seems like a step back compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 40 megapixel front camera. Both models feature dual 10 megapixel telephoto cameras with 3x and 10x optical zoom and a 30x digital zoom option, allowing for up to 100x space zoom. Overall, while the 200 megapixel main camera of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra may seem impressive, for me, the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is still sufficient for capturing high quality photos and videos. Unless your profession requires a top-notch camera capability, the camera on the S22 Ultra should be able to meet your needs. The Galaxy S23 Ultra features a first for Samsung phones, an exclusive Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset promising faster clock speeds and improved graphics performance. Samsung claims that the graphics performance is 41% faster than the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the AI performance is 49% faster, all thanks to a larger vapor cooling chamber that delivers sustained performance. But do you really need such processing power on your smartphone? However, for me, the Galaxy S22 Ultra's performance is already fast enough to complete my tasks smoothly. Having the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, I can even play high-end games without facing any lags or FPS drops. Another reason is the battery life. Both the Galaxy S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra are equipped with the same 5000 mAh battery, so moving to the S23 Ultra from S22 Ultra is not a worthy move. To sum up, I personally don't find the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to be a worthy upgrade from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. While the design, display and camera improvements may not be significant enough for me, others might value the improved performance and protection offered by the newer model. If you're currently using the S21 Ultra or an older model, then upgrading to the S23 Ultra might be a good choice. Well, that's my take on it, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.